Oh, dude, look at that. XJ220. Beautiful car, man.
Thanks.
Wow, this is one of my favorite cars as a kid. I've never seen one in person.
First time you've seen it?
First time in person. I used to play a game, Need for Speed, like #1, like in '95, and the 220 was my favorite car.
It's a monster. I mean,
It's.
you gotta push it hard.
Can I take a photo?
Sure. I'm gonna reposition it so I can get a little better line of sight. So I'm gonna move it forward a couple inches.
Okay, cool, cool.
Go ahead and park up there if you want.
Oh, it sounds so good. The day I didn't bring my camera. Look at it.
They're fairly rare because most people are afraid to drive them.
Yeah.
I mean, they're good cars, but they are a bitch to drive slow.
Yeah? Did it get a little jerky on it?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
So, once you get on,
That's absolutely stunning. I wish I had my normal camera, but oh well. What a gorgeous car. Hey man, thanks so much for letting me take a photo.
my pleasure.
And thanks for driving it so I can see it. That's gorgeous, man.
It does need to be driven. I mean, same thing with bikes. Somebody's offering me a Desmo, Suzuki,
Mm-hmm.
the 0 miles.
Yeah, I have a really good buddy of mine back home who works at a Ducati dealership, and people will buy the Super Legeras, $100,000 bikes. They buy them in the crate, and it goes to their house in a crate and never gets opened.
Yeah, it's like, come on, you can't get a thoroughbred racehorse and then just.
That's exactly it. Keep them in a stable. Yeah, that was my first time seeing one, and all. Wow, it's gorgeous. Cool, man. Take care. Thank you.
Thank you so much, man.
That's a gorgeous car. That made my day. that made my day. It's a Jag XJ220, and they call it 220 because they wanted it to go 220 miles an hour. The fastest speed record at the time was like 208. They call it the 220 to go 220, and guess what? It never did. It never went 220. Yeah, we'll do a U-turn here. Okay, bud. Bye. I am a good motorcyclist, and my friend there is a douchey Canadian who has to wait for me anyways because I'm being legal. That guy was such a nice guy on that 220. Awesome. And he gets pleasure from sharing his cars. I hate the guys that buy him to flex. He bought it because he has a passion in it, and he likes talking about it. Beautiful car. That's cool. That's really cool. Someone's yelling over there. It's him. That guy yelling, "Whoa! Whoa! Exhaust! Woo!" That was so weird. I love crack!